Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear friends, hope you are well, and I'm also well by the grace of God and Allah Almighty. So today I have come a beautiful forest, mashallah. You can see behind me uh, the dead tree, and there are many trees around me, you can see. And I want to show something that is very beautiful and that is looking very attractive. You can see beautiful stream and spring. You can see in which the water are flowing smoothly and beautifully. I'm going to zoom it. You can see properly. You can see. It's a narrow and a small stream and spring. You can see, mashallah. Yes, I'm showing more one thing. You can see here. The water is flowing smoothly and beautifully. MashaAllah, you can see. And here is Mr. Rizwan. You can see he's shooting videos and he's giving some tips how to speak English language. So this is a forest that is located near Chhatarbar Karma Kodarma. MashaAllah, it's a beautiful and dense forest. Many times we come here. Sometime Rizwan sir, my other friends come with me here. You can see, mashallah. Rizwan sir, how are you?
Fantastic.
How do you feel to come here in this dense forest and beautiful forest? And are you feeling the beautiful nature?
I am just taking the fresh air in this beauty.
What is your main purpose to come here, sir?
My main purpose to come here to spend my pastime, to enjoy my time in the evening.
But I think your main purpose is to give some tips to how to speak English language. Yes, am I right?
I am ready to give tips and tricks.
Yes, he is very fond of English, my dear friends, and he wanted to give you a very important and easy tips to speak English language. So if you want to speak English language easily, and if you want to use daily sentences in English language, and if you want to describe your day in English, I mean, if you want to say everything in English, follow me and follow my friend Rizwan sir. Yes, Rizwan sir, what do you like to say for my viewers?
Yes, the first tips to speak in English and confident in English is to speak.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
You can't take a piece of bread into your mouth until you open your mouth.
Okay,
Half roti ka
can you
tool-
come closer, sir? Can you come closer to the camera?
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes, wait for a while. He's coming and he's giving you a beautiful tips to speak English language easily and fantastic. You can see. Yes, Rizwan sir, first of all say something about this environment and about this greenery nature.
Yes, guys, you may see that we are in the scenic beauty of this place.
Yes.
We are in a dense forest
Okay.
with fresh air, and we are on the bank of a river, which is called Jitiva Nadia. So here we are. And in the evening, we are feeling a little bit freezing, a little bit cold, that we are feeling uncomfortable because it is going to be dark now. On the other hand, we are also afraid of some wild animals that we can be attacked anytime, anywhere. So here means it is in the news that many wild animals are also there, like lion, leopard, and elephant, basically. So we are
Okay,
here
sir.
on the other hand.
Okay, mashallah. You are speaking English very fast. Okay, so something that I wanted to ask you, because many learners watch my videos and your videos. So let's practice some daily use sentences. Okay, sir?
Okay,
Yes. Okay, I will ask you in Hindi. You will have to translate into English.
Right,
Okay.
right.
For example, this practice for beginners. Okay? Yes. मैं रोजाना स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ.
I don't go to school every day.
क्या तुम रोजाना स्कूल जाते हो?
Do you go to school daily?
Yes. पानी चश्मे में बह रहा है.
The water is flowing in the clear rills.
In the clear is very good. हम लोग आज जंगल में आए हैं.
Today we have come to the jungle.
माशाल्लाह. So हमें नमाज पढ़नी चाहिए.
We should offer the namaz.
तुम्हें नमाज पढ़नी
We
चाहिए.
should offer the namaz.
उसे नमाज पढ़नी
We
चाहिए.
should offer the namaz.
हमें नमाज पढ़नी चाहिए थी.
We should have offered the namaz.
माशाल्लाह. हमें ज़कात अदा करनी चाहिए थी.
We should have pay our zakat.
MashaAllah. Beautiful. So, my dear learners, you can use this type of sentence daily and describe your day like these, like these sentences. MashaAllah. First of all, sir, tell me, when a person gets up in the morning, so how can he use in English language?
When a person gets up from his, you mean to say the bed?
Yes,
after in the
wake up,
morning.
wake up, wake up,
Wake up in the morning.
Yes.
So actually, you should describe everything like your daily routine in the
Small
English language.
sentence, yes.
For
For example, yes.
suppose that you got up, right? So you should know that you should speak one line that मैं उठा हूँ या मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, इन तरह का सेंटेंस बनाइए, like I get up early in the morning.
Very good.
सुबह मैं जल्दी उठता हूँ. After that हम लोग अमूमन वॉशरूम जाते हैं.
Washroom जाते हैं.
After that I go to washroom.
जी.
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Right? Yeah, you can also say I take ablution, like वजू करना, या you can say that नहाना, गुस्ल करना. Right? So these things. After that I go to my school. Yeah, I go to my workplace. Right? After that in the school I read.
Yes, mashallah, etc., etc. So, sir, I think this is a best source to learn English and to speak English. First of all, a student must practice with his daily routine, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. If you practice and if you say and if you speak your daily routine, inshallah, you will be able to speak English language very soon, inshallah. Okay, jazakallah khair.